Hello, I am Dr.Samana Nadig. So today let us understand what is Hashimoto's thyroiditis and how homeopathy can help in treating the issue. So basically Hashimoto's thyroiditis is a condition of thyroid gland which is an autoimmune disease. So our own immune system attacks the thyroid gland and causes inflammation and destruction of thyroid cells. So when there is destruction happening in the thyroid cells, there is decrease in production of thyroid hormones. Basically the TSH becomes low and thus it leads to hypothyroidism. So coming to causes of Hashimoto's thyroiditis, the main factor is the genetic factor. So if you have anyone in your ancestors or in your family having Hashimoto's thyroiditis or thyroid problems, there is high risk of you ending up with thyroid issues or specifically the Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Apart from genetic causes, there are few environmental causes which can lead to this. Basically the stress factor, or if you are repeatedly exposed to radiation or high intake of iodine can lead to thyroiditis. So coming to the symptoms vary from individual to individual depending on how severe is the complaint or the issue. So basically you see there is weight gain, because thyroid hormone being a very important hormone for metabolism, when there is deficiency of this hormone, there is impaired metabolism leading to weight gain. So because there is weight gain, there is intolerance to heat and cold. Generally cold tolerance becomes very low. There is fatigue, and also people experience symptoms like anxiety, palpitation in their chest and so on. Along with this, we have seen people presenting with constipation issues, depression, and in females there is chances of periods getting hampered. There might be irregular or heavy periods and so on. Coming to the treatment in homeopathy, so homeopathy basically treats an individual holistically. So we try to understand at what stage the thyroiditis started, what is the precursor for this issue, either it is genetic or it is because of some stress happening around. So basically when we are treating autoimmunity, we try to understand what is that thought or what is that stress triggered that autoimmune thought in their mind. So for having any autoimmune issue in the body, there has to be some autoimmune thought in the mind that would have triggered this issue. So we try to understand their life study, like what current stress they are undergoing or what issue they faced before this thyroid issue started. So we try to take in the details completely and we prescribe a medicine that acts in reversing the autoimmunity that is triggered in the body. So when the autoimmunity is reversed, the thyroid tissue starts getting healed and it starts producing the enough hormones that is required for the body. So basically the route of treatment in homeopathy is to reverse the autoimmunity that is being generated, and our body itself cures the thyroid tissue which is being destroyed, and we can see the results and we can see the thyroid levels coming back to normal.